Salespeople, it is vital on every single sales call that you help the prospect to identify the cost of inaction. This is the cost of not taking up what you offer. And how you do this is by asking quality questions to help them understand the gap between where they want to be and where they are now. And this can be financially, it can be with their health, it can be with their time, it can be mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually, so that you're agitating the pain like a dagger so that they move away from it and they understand the cost of not taking action now, and it increases the urgency of taking action. So an example question is, you can ask them, how much money do you want to make over the next 12 months? They say 150,000. You ask them where they are now, they say 50,000. You ask, what's the cost of inaction? And they say in a 12-month period, it is $100,000. Then you can stretch the gap further and say, what's the cost of inaction in the next 5 to 10 years? And it's going to equal $500,000 to $1 million by not taking action on this opportunity right now.